How to classify and track your expenses from within your FINSYNC profile. On the home page, navigate to the Banking tab, which is on the top menu. If you mouse over the Banking tab, you have the option of selecting from any of the bank accounts you already have entered into your FINSYNC account. By selecting one of those accounts, you'll be redirected to the landing page for that specific account. On the landing page, you'll find a full list of transactions associated with this account, including payments and deposits. You'll notice though that on the home page, a majority of the transactions are already categorized. The reason for this is that any money entering your account or leaving your account through FINSYNC, meaning you've paid a bill or you've sent an invoice, is automatically categorized based on the designation you gave them when they were initially created. The Uncategorized tab found here at the top will show you all the uncategorized receivables and payables that you have in this account. In order to manually categorize any of your presently uncategorized transactions, simply select the transactions row, which will bring up the details for that transaction. You'll notice underneath the accounts here on the right side, the drop-down arrow, which will allow you to change the category that this transaction falls under. If you need to create a new one, simply use the Add/Edit Categories option found below the table. You can also add a short description that you want to tie to this transaction, and you have the ability to tie it to a specific category or vendor. Be sure to save all of your changes here before navigating away. To review all classified transactions, specifically your bills and expenses, navigate to the Reports tab at the top menu. If you mouse over Reports, you'll want to select the Income Statement. Be sure you always select the appropriate time period for viewing your data. After you've selected the appropriate time frame, you'll scroll down to the expenses beneath the Gross Profit heading to see which expenses are tied to that particular category. Simply click on the row and it'll complete a drop-down of all the details related to that expense. Some may have more than one, such as payroll. Lastly, you have the option of downloading this report as either a CSV or a PDF file.